Choosing an LGA 1700 motherboard is easy until 5 models all look similar on paper. So here's the ranking from the most basic option to the strongest overall board, with the differences that actually matter when you build the PC. In 5th place is the MSI Pro B760MP DDR4. This is the straightforward budget choice, especially if you already own DDR4 memory and want to reuse it instead of paying for a new DDR5 kit. You get 2 fast M2 slots, 4 SATA ports, a reinforced graphics card slot, and a rear 10GB USB-C port. In a simple gaming or office build, that covers the basics, and the smaller size also fits compact cases more easily. But here's the trade-off. Ethernet stops at 1 gigabit, there is no wireless connection, 4 of the 6 rear USB ports are old USB 2, and there is no PCIe 5 support. Compared with every board above it, expansion and future flexibility are clearly more limited. Consider this one if keeping costs down matters more than having the newest features. But if you want DDR5, faster networking, and more room to upgrade, the next model is a much better starting point. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In 4th place is the ASRock B760M Pro RS. It still keeps the compact micro ATX format, but it feels far less restricted than the MSI below it. The biggest gains are DDR5 support, 3 M2 slots, 2.5GB Ethernet, and a PCIe 5 graphics slot. In practice, that means more storage, faster wired networking, and a better upgrade path without moving to a full-size board. The weak point is connectivity. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not included, rear USB speeds top out at 5 gigabits per second, and the audio hardware is basic. The B760 chipset also does not support processor multiplier overclocking, so demanding enthusiasts should look higher. This is a sensible choice for a compact DDR5 system where storage and wired networking matter most. And if you want built-in Wi-Fi, stronger expansion, and the extra flexibility of Z790, the next board is where things become more serious. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you choose. In 3rd place is the MSI Pro Z790P Wi-Fi. This is the first full-size Z790 board in the ranking, and you immediately get more storage, more expansion, and built-in wireless networking. 4 M2 slots, 6 SATA ports, 256GB memory support, Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5GB Ethernet make it practical for a powerful gaming or workstation. The rear flash BIOS button is also useful when you need to update firmware without a fully working build, but it's not as polished as the top 2. Only the main M2 slot gets a supplied heatsink, the audio chip is basic, there is no optical audio output, and half of the rear USB ports are USB 2. The power design is solid, but not the strongest here. Choose this board if you want Z790 features and lots of storage without paying mainly for premium extras. But the next model improves the audio, rear USB layout, and overall build experience. In 2nd place is the Asus TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi. For me, this is the most balanced board in the group because it combines strong hardware with features you notice while building and using the PC. Its 16+1+1 power design is well suited to high-end compatible processors. You also get 4 M2 slots, a PCIe 5 graphics slot, fast networking, optical audio, and 8 rear USB ports that all run at 5 gigabits per second or faster. Tool-free M2 latches and the graphics card release button make installation less frustrating. There are still compromises. Memory capacity is lower than on the other DDR5 Z790 boards. Only 3 M2 positions have heatsink coverage, and there is no dedicated rear BIOS flashback button. It also has 4 SATA ports instead of 6. This is the board I would point to for someone who wants a strong gaming build with good audio and clean everyday connectivity. But if maximum storage, stronger power stages, and broader hardware specifications come first, the number 1 model has the edge. In 1st place is the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX. On the available specifications, it offers the strongest overall hardware package in this comparison. You get 70A processor power stages, support for up to 256GB of DDR5 memory, 4 cooled M2 slots, 6 SATA ports, a PCIe 5 graphics slot, and 10 rear USB ports. QFlash Plus also lets you update the BIOS without installing a processor, which can save a lot of trouble during a new build. It's not flawless. There is no PCIe 5 M2 slot, 4 rear USB ports are USB 2, and the rear analog audio layout is limited. You also need to check the exact board revision because some components can vary. This is the strongest choice for a high-end LGA 1700 build where storage, power delivery, and upgrade room matter more than having the best onboard audio. It takes 1st place because it gives you the broadest overall feature set with the fewest major compromises. Check the top-ranked motherboards through the links in the description below the video, where you can compare the current prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical hardware rankings.